Hello you guys, so the next puzzle I will show you is this one. We have got 500 pieces. It's the New York Puzzle Company, and it is camping equipment. So basically everything you need to bring when you're going camping. I think that will be easy and won't take me a long time, but I think it'll be fun as well because I love just these kind of puzzles where you can go, oh no, I will do this, and no, I will do that. So yes, camping equipment. Let's do it. Okay, you guys, so here we have got the camping equipment. Of course, we need some logs to have the fire going on and a lot of other stuff. Comfy shoes and, I don't know, a broom if you want to broom the woods and a fishing thing, good shoes, knives, sunglasses, drinking things, axes, a guitar, some glasses, a deck of cards. So you know what you need for camping. And that's it. Yeah, guys, tell me, do you love camping? I definitely do not. I like hotels. So thank you very much for watching. If you like what you saw, you could hit the like button or consider to subscribe. That would be great and would help me grow. Well, I won't grow, but my channel will. And yes, we will see us on the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.